Hello friends, welcome to Sub Veggie. Today we are going to learn Pappu chekkalu recipe, that is Andhra special snack recipe. And the chekkalu is a tasty snack which can be prepared during Diwali and Gokulashtami. The method of preparing chekkalu is very easy if you follow few tips. Always use good quality rice flour for making chekkalu, and rice flour when added alone will be difficult to bind together, so addition of butter or hot oil is very important. And the ingredients required for this recipe are rice flour 1 cup, red chilli powder half teaspoon, or you can also use chilli ginger paste, and chana dal soaked 1 tablespoon. And we also need groundnut fried 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon, hing 1 pinch, and butter 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, curry leaves, water as required, oil for deep frying. Now I'll see directions to prepare. Roast and peel husk of groundnut and keep aside. It is optional. If you like it, you can add them. And soak chana dal in water for 1 hour. Drain it and keep it aside. And now in a bowl add rice flour, red chilli powder, hing, salt, and mix well. To this add soaked chana dal, cumin seeds, mix well, and if you like to add, I told you roasted groundnut also have to add in this step. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot oil or butter to this and combine well. It is very important to add butter or hot oil. Now adding water little by little, knead it to smooth non-sticky dough, and keep covered for some time. We are adding curry leaves to this dough, and then divide the dough into equal sized balls and cover it and keep aside. And then grease your hand with oil. Take each ball, place it on a greased plastic sheet or butter paper. And flatten the ball evenly with your hands till it becomes evenly thin on all sides. Break with a fork to prevent puffing up. You can prepare with the puri presser also if you are not able to do with the hand. Now keep the kadai on the stove and take oil in it. Once the oil is hot, keep the flame in medium. Slowly slide each chekkalu dough into the hot oil. Now deep fry them over medium flame till they become golden brown in color. and then transfer them to an absorbent paper of a kitchen towel. Drain the excess oil and repeat the same process with the rest of the balls. Let them cool completely and then store it in an airtight container. It can be stored up to 1 week to 10 days. You can have it as a snack for tea or coffee, evening snack, and the kids like it very much. You can prepare this for any festivals like Dasra, Deepavali, and you can also prepare for any special occasions at home. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.